In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert Markdown from a URL into Confluence pages. We'll walk through installing the right add-on, creating a page, and configuring the macro so your Markdown loads cleanly from a link. Follow along in your own Confluence site. Start by opening your Confluence home. If you're not already signed in, sign in so you can access the sidebar. On the left, find Apps. This takes you to the area where you manage and discover add-ons. Choose Explore More Apps to open the Atlassian Marketplace inside Confluence. In the search bar, type Markdown Macro for Confluence. Look for the listing that provides a Markdown macro and open it. Click. Try it for free to begin the installation, then follow the prompts to add it to your site. You may need site admin permissions for this part. If you don't have them, ask your admin to install it for you. Wait for the confirmation that the app has been added before moving on. Head back to Confluence and start a new page. Use the Create button at the top, then choose Page. In the editor, add a clear title so teammates know what the content is about. Now place your cursor in the body and invoke the / command by typing a /. Start typing Markdown to filter the options and select the Markdown macro from the list. A configuration window will appear for the macro. This is where you point the macro to your content. If you have a URL to a Markdown file, paste it here. Many hosts require the raw file URL rather than a normal web view, so make sure the link resolves directly to the .md content. If your source provides an embed snippet or HTML that references the Markdown, paste that into the input area as instructed by the macro. The exact fields can vary by version, but the idea is the same. Provide the URL or code that fetches the Markdown. Click Check to validate and preview the result. Give it a moment to load. If the preview doesn't render as expected, confirm that the link is publicly accessible or that any required authentication is handled by the macro. Also verify you're using the raw Markdown URL, not a formatted preview page. Adjust as needed and click. Check again until the preview looks correct. Once your content renders properly, you're all set. You've installed the Markdown macro, created a page, inserted the macro, and verified your Markdown loads from a URL. That's the process for bringing external Markdown into Confluence while keeping it easy to update at the source.